Hello, my name is Emily, and welcome to the sound page of Fun Science Support. On this page, we have readings, writing prompts, math activities, assessments, and videos, all designed to help you teach the concept of sound to young learners. These easy-to-use resources have been created for you to bring science into your classroom. They accompany science demonstrations from our YouTube channel called Fun Science Demos. If you would like to visit our channel, or specifically our sound playlist, just click the links in the corners of these videos. These resources are fun and free to use. And speaking of sound, here is a fun and easy demonstration that you can do with your students. A sound is created through vibrating matter. You can feel this when you place your hand on your vocal cords. Another way to show this is through these 5 vibrating metal strips. Watch what happens when I play this with my fingers. Did you hear the sound? Another simple sound demonstration is to take 2 books of differing size, a small book and a large book, and to drop them from the same height. Which book do you think will make the louder sound? Did you hear that? The large book made the louder sound. If you want to learn more, check out our sound playlist on Fun Science Demos.